Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to sign up Krea AI account. For that, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I am using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for Krea.ai. Once you land on the home page on the top right, you will see sign up button. Hit on that. From here you have two options to sign up, that is with Google or with email. We are choosing email for now. Enter your email address and hit on continue with email option. Now you have to hit your password and re-hit the password to confirm it and hit on the sign up button just below it. Then a verification code has been sent to your mail. Check your mail and copy that code and paste it over here. At last, hit on the sign up button and then you are good to go. This was a very easy step to sign up in Krea AI account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.